So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view the effective tax rate of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, what I want you to do is to search up a company of your choice. So for this example right here, I will use Enbridge as an example. Once you have the stock or the company selected, just scroll down to the bottom to where it says financials right here. Make sure that income statement is pressed, and then you can either go quarterly or annual, whatever stats you're looking for. And if you go down to the effective tax rate right here, you can see the effective tax rate of the company or the stock that you selected. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view the effective tax rate of a stock on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.